Hey everyone, Lorna Evans here, and hopefully by now you have had a chance to see my Timesaver brush, which has really been a game changer. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, because of the size of the barrel and how much hair this can actually control, it must be heavy. But would you believe me if I was to tell you that my iPhone, which is in my hand so often, is almost double the weight than my Timesaver brush? Let me show you. So have a look at this. My iPhone is weighing in at 194 grams and my Timesaver brush is weighing in at 102 grams. So now we know it's really light to work with. Let me show you how it's going to change your life as a blow dryer. So we've got the ball bristle for tension, we've got the nylon for the shine, and we've got the 160mm barrel to take the big sections. Everything's about shaving the time off. We've also got the point on the end of the handle so that you can take the section. I'm just going to take the widest section in the head so that I can get right to the point where it is really about saving you time. This whole head of hair, by the way, I could blow dry in 4 sections. So I'll take that out of the way. If I'm working with long hair styling, I will always work with drying the product into dry hair, but it is no different if you're actually working from wet to dry as well. It's the same deal. So I would actually then take the brush, pop the brush on the top, drag it across, and look how much I can actually work with. So I would have my blow dryer and come all the way down. So I can control loads and loads of hair all in one sweep. So now that you've seen how light the brush is and how easy it is to work with, and I have to tell you, thousands of hairdressers around Australia and the world have got one of these babies in their kit, and the feedback has been phenomenal. If you'd like to try one, head to our website or also to your nearest stockist. See you soon.